What a day, what a climate, what a weather. Here is another snowstorm, man. What's happening? Huh? It's another snowstorm. What I say? I'm hitting the road. Yeah, I'm hitting the road right now. Snowstorm is right here again, son. What I say? It's right here, you see? Snowstorm. I just gotta come on the road, I gotta drive, I gotta take care of business, you see what I'm saying? Yeah, I gotta come out. Gotta take care of business, snowstorm. Huh? You see? You have things to do outside, you gotta come out, man. Don't just care about the weather, about the snow, about whatever, you see what I'm saying? I'm out here, I'm on the road, I'm driving. I gotta get to some places, man. It's all about moolah. You know what I'm saying? Moolah, green, that green. You gotta go out and get some green, okay? Because you gotta put some food on the table, you gotta pay the bills, you gotta save some money, you gotta invest some money, you gotta do all things with money, man. You see? Life is gonna keep rolling with some moolah. Good amount of moolah. You gotta keep life rolling, son. What I say? Check it out. Snowstorm. See the road. This all this snow, man. All this snow, man. This is gonna stretch all the way to Thursday to Friday. It is crazy, man, but what can you do about Mother Nature? You can't do it. There is no control. No one has control over it, man. Mother Nature, you can't do anything about it. Just gotta take it. It is what it is. Take it as it is. Mother Nature. It is what it is, man. You see? You see what I mean? See the road, snow is coming down heavily. When it's night now, it's gonna be about what? 5 inches, 6, 7, or whatever. But for me, I don't care. I'm still gonna come out here and drive because I got skills to handle the snow, alright? I got skills, man. Bunch of skills. Massive skills. When we talk about skills in magnitude, you see what I'm saying? I got it, man. You see? Yeah. I'm gonna leave local street now. I'm gonna hit the highway, man. I'm gonna hit the highway. Then I got going. You see? The white thing coming down from the sky. Like it's raining. And God is good, man. A great God. You see what I'm saying? It's time to catch the highway now, okay? I'm going on the highway now. 1, 2, 3 on the highway. This is entrance ramp. I take this ramp and I join the highway and I keep driving, man. I gotta fly. You see what I'm saying? This is entrance ramp to the highway, okay? You're gonna see some trucks, you're gonna see cars, you're gonna see trailers, you're gonna see tractors, you're gonna see everything, son. Everybody gotta come on the road and drive. People traveling, people coming from work, people going for business, people going shopping, people going dine out, all that. You see? Yeah, snow day, all day snow, man. You see, interesting, but kind of dangerous sometimes. If you if you cannot handle it, just don't come out. Don't just come out and mess with the Mother Nature, because it can be risky, can be dangerous, can be deadly, and some stuff like that. You gotta know what you're doing, man. You gotta get some skills to handle this snow, right? You see? Either you drive slow, or you park your car, or you know, whatever you can do. make sure you drive safe. Okay. It's a lot of snow right now. Maybe right now about 3 inches or so. But I don't care. I'm just gonna go out. I just want to show you guys what's going on right now, right here. Yes, all over America, 50 states right now. It's winter weather advisory. You see, just be careful. Alright, wherever you're doing, you're walking, you're driving, you're sleeping, be careful. Alright, I just want to show you this. Alright, guys. Enjoy your day, enjoy your evening, enjoy your night. God bless. One love. Mwah.